Hi, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Siobhan, and you should remember to subscribe if you like what you see. So I'm pretty excited to do this video. I haven't actually taken these all the way out of the bag, which is loud. So I ordered the lash liner, and these are the lashes here. So these are the lashes. I got Los Angeles. And this, if you have not heard of it, is a magnetic eyeliner that you're supposed to be able to put on and then stick your magnetic lashes to. So magnetic lashes in and of themselves, not my favorite thing. I saw this on Tatia's channel and she raved about it. And if it works as well as it looked like it worked in her channel, or as well as it looks like it works in their promo videos, I am gonna be super, super addicted. So it comes in a nice little metal tube. And just looks like your typical liquid liner with a brush. So I do have some liner on. The liner that I have on doesn't go all the way to the center of my eye and is pretty thin. So I'm hoping that I can put this over top of it. We'll find out in a minute. I'm also hoping that this brush will be okay to work with. So I'm just gonna go for it. Okay, it goes on really nice. Like, it just goes on like a nice liquid liner. I'm gonna read the directions now that I already did it. Using the included brush, apply a thin line of Lash Liner magnetic eyeliner to the eyelid just above the natural lash line. Allow to dry for 30 seconds. Repeat when liner is tacky but not wet. Hold lash with small magnets towards the eyeliner. Lash will magnetically connect to the eyeliner. If lash does not connect well, add another coat of liner and allow to dry until tacky. Okay. So while that is drying, I'm going to go ahead and do my other eye. So I don't wear lashes that often just because I'm not, like, I'm okay at putting them on. Like, I'm definitely not terrible, but it just feels like it takes extra time that I don't want to put in, which sucks because I love wearing lashes. I think that they look really nice and can definitely like add to any look. While I'm here, I'm going to go ahead. It's been 30 seconds. I'm going to go ahead and add a little more to this side since it says to add a little more. Also don't know how far in I should go with it. But yeah, so lashes are one of those things that I like them, but they're work. So it's also really, really hot here. It's not really, really hot. It's really humid. Not even really humid. It's humid enough to be annoying. I feel like I should have set a timer because I don't know how long 30 seconds really is. Does it feel tacky? I think so. Okay, so I'm just gonna take them out and try. It also comes with a lot of like little, focus. Came with a bunch of little individual lashes as well, which is kind of interesting. So let's see. So I expected it to, like, you know, suck it in like a magnet, which it didn't. It just sort of like stayed there. Oh, it's on though. Like, definitely when you pull on it, you can tell that it's attached. I think I need more on this outer piece right here. Okay, let's try the other one. And I think the very ends just keep getting caught on my natural lashes, since that's where I have really long lashes. Okay, so they're on. It literally took that much effort. So, I'm amazed. Legitimately amazed. If you have problems putting on false lashes, these are 100% worth the money. I didn't expect this to go so well. This might end up being a really short video. So I think what I'm gonna do, I got my Ipsy, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off and record my Ipsy video, and then I will come back and do an outro after I've worn them for a little bit and let you know how they feel, if they seem like they're gonna stay. But yeah, I'm pretty surprised. I'm gonna try this fan, you know, just for a little bit of a test. No, they don't even seem to be moving. All right, I'm gonna go record my other video. I'll be back. Okay, so I don't know how well you can tell, but I'm like in the wind and these lashes are totally staying on and it's super windy. Let's see if I can turn so that you can see something behind me that's being blown. Oh, you can probably hear it actually. But yeah, I've been super impressed. Okay, so I'm back. I actually almost forgot to come back and record this part because I forgot that I was wearing the lashes, which is insane because that never happens. Also, my dog is barking in the next room. Sorry. So, I'm gonna take these off. Oh, which that feels really weird. And put them back in their little box. And then I have some of these Hell lashes. These are Eyelure because they say that you can use any magnetic lashes with the eyeliner. So what I want to do is see whether or not you can use the eyeliner with these Eyelure lashes. So gonna see. So these lashes definitely don't have as many little magnets on them. I just keep having flashbacks of these pinching my eye. It definitely attaches to the eyeliner once it's near it. I don't feel like the hold on these are as strong, but I also have been wearing it for a while, so maybe I need to apply more of the eyeliner. But yeah, these both popped up on the outer edges. So I don't know about the claims of being able to wear any magnetic lashes with them, which I think is just kind of the state of, there are, on the ones that come with it, there are like 5 little magnets that go across, and on these there's only these 3 little ones. So I'm gonna see if I can. So they're here. Ignore my nails. They have hair color in them. But yeah, I don't think that it's the product that makes it not work with other lashes. I think it's other lashes that make it not work with other lashes. But also, because I'm not getting glue on them, these lashes are going to last me a long time. I would assume. Like, they seem like they're pretty good quality. And yeah, I am pleasantly surprised and impressed. I don't even know what else to say other than I definitely recommend these. They only have 2 styles of lashes, which is a little unfortunate, but I do think these are really pretty. These are the Los Angeles. These were the less bold lashes, so if you're going for something more natural, you might have to wait a while for them to come out with something more natural, or try to make it work with other lashes. But yeah, I really like it. I can't remember the last time I put on false lashes and literally just forgot within minutes that I was wearing them. The eyeliner, we'll see how it washes off. A little bit of it came off with the lashes, but generally I'm not trying to keep my makeup on after I take my lashes off anyway. So that is that. My makeup, real quick, while we're here, I am using the Iconic London eyebrow stuff. Oh my god, my brain. The cushion eyebrow stuff. My eyeshadow is from the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions. In the inner corner here, I have a little bit of Still a Glitter and Glow. And then my eyeliner in my waterline is a LA Girl in navy. It's just one of their gel glide pencils. They're pretty good. They definitely, like, I've had this makeup on for hours and hours, so it started to transfer a little bit on this side to the top lash, but this one is still fully intact. The Bendy Avocado from First Aid Beauty for my concealer for the concealer under my eyes and on my chin. So I actually didn't put any foundation on. I just put some concealer here and here because it's, again, muggy here. So I don't like to have a lot of foundation on. My eyeshadow also is like moving around my face somehow. My highlighter is not really highlighter. It is the Tutti Frutti Blush Duo from Too Faced. And then my lipstick is ABH something. A Sad Girl. So that's my makeup. Pretty simple makeup day for me. Anyway, I am going to go see what's up with my dog. I hope that you're having a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. Bye.